Okay.
Did you set the magic word,
Yeah,
the
I think
question
so.
of the day, and the stream title? You know, all that wizardry that makes the chaos fun. Or did you leave it to me, your superior bot?
Okay, that works.
Oh, Flair.
Alright.
You know mind flayers feast on
Just
brains?
getting ready
Talk
for the
about a
raid
messed
train
up
to come
appetizer.
in.
Perfect
I'll be
for
right
the
back.
depraved
I'm gonna run to the
starving.
bathroom and get
Ladies,
some
gents,
water
and
and
envy friends.
all that kind of
Forget
stuff.
just
I'll be
roleplay.
right back.
Let's devour some imagination.
For now, you can chill with P-Bot.
Ladies, gents, and envy friends, let's all raise a virtual glass to Hacksaw Hill for kicking things off. Cheers. Well. Hey there, Hacksaw Hill. Ready to get a little wild? Blue Box Pirate gives Flair a high five. That's 99 times now. Oh, just chatting? It's like the Wild West of Twitch, where people chat instead of shoot and still can't hit the target. Ahoy, Blue Box Pirate. Ready to plunder some laughs and steal the spotlight?
What up? Howdy, howdy, howdy. Alright,
Alright, ladies, gents,
I'm
and
just
envy
kind of
friends,
chilling.
let's move the spotlight back to our main event, Flair.
So we're doing this
I'm
raid
just the charming
train.
sidekick
It's been
here,
going all
trying to
day.
make sure he doesn't fall flat on his face again. Just kidding, Flair, we love you. And
Right now,
Flair,
everyone
Bob
is
like
over
that, of course.
at GOW Man's.
What's happening, man?
Well, if it isn't Spike Champley, how's it hanging, my fabulous friend?
But they're coming here next. So I'm basically each person is going to be doing is adding some stuff to the bot, and by the end of it, there's me, and then there's one more person after me. By the end of it, we'll have had, what was it, 10 people kind of pile in on adding stuff to a bot that we can share with new StreamerBot users. And I think there will probably be some fine-tuning after the fact to kind of package it up to something that's very easy to install, because, you know, there's import codes and all that kind of stuff. I hope we can sum it up into like basically one kind of install package or something like that, but I'm not sure how that's going to be organized. But just kind of starting up a little bit early to get volumes and stuff. The music's a little high. There we go. How's it going, Hacksaw? Hi, Blue. Hi, Spike. Who else we got? So I'm trying to figure out what. There's a few things I know I'm going to bring over. I'm not going to be like building something new on stream most likely. We've only got 2 hours, but I'm going to try to pile in as much useful stuff I can as I can. One thing I will have to kind of look at what is there already before I can really make that decision. So kind of like looking at where we get left with what's a bolt with previous people and see what's going on. So
Hey Boltorian,
what a bolt.
how's it hanging? You ready to rock this chat?
High five.
Lord__
So the things that I
It's
know I'm
Flair
gonna
from
add
Bye.
are
That's 56 times now.
ad management stuff, which so I'm gonna like once I add them, basically what's gonna happen is I'll take the bot that people have been working on and load it up as a second bot. I'll probably hook up Hype to it or something. We'll see. As the bot, so I can differentiate between the two bots, so it's not phlare_bot. Yeah, I'll probably hook up Hype. Or maybe Grassy Knoll. We'll see. One of my other alts. And we will kind of go from there. See what's in there, and kind of like move stuff over from what I already have built. A lot of stuff is very custom for my own stream, but some of it is very useful for would be very useful for other people. So it's like, you know, I have a couple things that I definitely for sure want to bring over, and then a couple things I want to like it may be like kind of adding on to what's already in the bot. Like, what up, Maduka?
Well, look who struts in.
Stuff
Hi,
like that.
Maduka, ready to rock?
And then once I have the stuff that I wanted to move over that's like mod, what I signed up for was some moderation tools. But I also will probably squeak in some like silly nonsense stuff as well.
Dude, the new chat flubbed me over today. I am used to starting the raid from the Streamer.bot chat button thing, but it's removed.
I don't know anything about it. I don't use the inline StreamerBot chat thing really at all. I know Whipstick is working on it constantly,
Love me some odd fools.
but I don't use it, so I can't really help.
Tools.
It's amazing you can have triggers on it.
So yeah, I can see. I know you have like you can put like on chat messages. You can put stuff right here. I think that's really cool. It hasn't worked its way into my Yeah, I know you can. Yeah, it's getting better and better. It's been a long time since I tried using it, and I probably should switch to it, but it's whatever. My main chat that I watch, I have a doc in OBS. I wonder if I could just make that my doc in OBS.
Oh,
Maybe not. I have a doc in OBS. Oh yeah, that's new. So the slash commands, you press slash and you can play any action you want. Set stream title, timeout user. You can action.
did you just tell me how to raid again, XD?
And then you can go to execute action and it'll load all your... I assume you can like search through here. And filter it.
Oh, what a delightful deck, Flair.
Yeah. So, yeah, that's very cool. I will have to start using it more. Maybe I start today. Anyway. It'd be cool to replace my... I wouldn't need the OBS chat. I would free up a lot of room in OBS. I actually have the Elgato prompter up here now. And maybe I could have this window be full screen or something on the prompter. And put it right up there. That might be something to look into. but not right now. This music is a little bit loud in my own headphones. It looks okay levels on stream, but tone it down for myself and then tone it up for stream. Anyway, I will play with that some other day. Yeah.
That's what I do with my prompter.
Like, so right now I'm using the,
Toggle
like,
and choose.
Twitch integration with the prompter, but I could just use it as a monitor and then put the StreamerBot chat full screen up there. Fuck it, let me try it right now. So, right now it's in, like,
Once,
chat
Voltaren
mode.
attempted to teach a raccoon how
But
to
if I
play
go to
chess.
display,
The raccoon, however,
and
swiped
then
the
just
board
drag
and
this
ran off with it,
boy
claiming
up
victory.
there.
Now Voltaren is the proud owner of
It's
the
a little
Raccoon
small. Can
Chess
I increase
Championship.
the font size? Yes, I can. Beautiful. 24.
Yup.
Oh god. Yeah, that's...
Yes, you can.
Is it gonna auto-scroll properly? It's like, it hasn't picked up your 2 last chats. So it's like, what? There they are.
28 to 32 for my old eyes.
I got it on 24, but yeah, maybe a little bit bigger would be... Yeah, I think that might be the way I do it. That's... Let me try 28. Meow. Switch tabs and then back to all. Yeah, that's real nice. And so I can set up like stuff on the quick bar. More timeout. Yeah. Okay, I'm fucking sold.
Prompter is a game changer for sure.
I know it has me looking at the camera a lot more, which I had an old prompter that I only used for videos. It was always there, but I never, it was just like, and I had to use like a phone as the screen that reflected off of it. But the Elgato one is incredible. It's just a second. It's a third monitor. It's amazing. Sometimes when I'm playing games, I'll put someone's stream up there. But having chat right there on the prompter makes me look at the freaking screen a little bit more when I'm talking to chat, which is, instead of looking over here where I usually look, which is where my OBS dock is. And then I could free up so much space in OBS. Oh my gosh.
Cujo McFly gives Flair a high
What
five.
up, Cujo?
That's 143 times now.
Haha, same with the streams.
But yeah. And that's why I put like my profile, my camera to the top right, because when I'm looking, normally when I'm reading in chat, I'm looking this way, so at least it's like my face is looking at the screen in the video itself. But
Man just jumped off the
What's
cliff.
going
Cujo?
on tonight, Flea?
So yeah, Raid Train should be coming in momentarily.
Well,
I'm gonna go to
well, if it isn't
25.
Cujo McFly, how's the future treating y'all?
And
Prep for
Yeah.
the raid chain.
just trying to figure out what I need to do. Just get started, see if
Have you messed around with JR Docky at Flair?
This is the new voice you have rolled.
I've never heard of it. Oh, is that the one where it's like the different kind of like workspaces for OBS? Is that the one? I think I saw.
Yeah.
I think I saw.
different dock layouts.
I think I saw Nutty doing a, so if he's like editing his scene, he's got a different workspace. If he's just in chat, he's got a different workspace. I have a, in my Discord, I have a suggestion box thing that, that I leave myself reminders, and the most recent one is that video about checking it out right here. So I have not yet checked it out, but it's on my list of shite to check out. Okay, looks like the file has been added.
I've I've got one for when I'm messing around with OBS, then my streaming layout.
So let me
So
download,
crisp. Love the list.
and I will start. I'll get that other bot set up. Get it authenticated and stiff. I said download. Are you gonna actually do the thing? There we go. Yeah, so I have a command that's like exclamation idea. So if someone says something, I can say put it in the ideas, or I can type it to myself, and it just writes to that particular channel in my Discord. Because it's always like you're in the middle of stream and someone has a great idea, and then by the time you have time to actually work on that idea, that thought is long gone. I think Nutty's stream logger thing is going to help with a lot of that stuff too. I'm looking forward to setting that up too. Set up a channel for that that's like moderators in Discord only maybe can see it. I don't know if I want everybody to see everything that happens in stream all the time, if that should be a public channel or not.
I've had a few of
The
those
stream logger
ideas
looks
when
cool.
you pass low.
That stream logger is clutch.
Okay, so extract this, set up new Botterino. Not actually Botterino. Botterino was kind of a flop. Okay, raid train. Alright. StreamerBot.exe. Run anyway. Fuck it. What could go wrong? Excuse me. Okay. Platforms, Twitch. Oh, there's a lot of actions in here already. Holy smokes. Okay, accounts. I'm gonna move this off screen while I log into stuff.
Maybe Botterino needed to be wearing a Botterini to get more attention.
Right? Okay. And then, let's see, I need to go into Chrome and log out of my broadcaster account.
Galman
Yo.
is raiding with 36 members of their community. They were streaming.
Here we
just chatting.
go. What's up? Let's get going.
I had flair.
What's up, Bob?
Well,
Shit's about
if
to
it
go
isn't
crazy.
underscore
Let's see.
Bob underscore
I
Pumpkin.
just downloaded the bot. I'm getting her set up. Logging into Twitch with an alt account that I can use as a second bot.
Well, hello there, Terrier Darts. Welcome to the chaos.
What's
Have a
up?
seat and stay a while. Welcome to the crew. Let's make some magic.
Yo, thank you for the follows.
A new friend appears, joining the wild, fun ride. Cheers to daring laughs.
What is my password?
Become best friends. Yep.
A friend joins the crew. Laughter echoes through the streets.
All right. Who should I use as my second bot? Should I use Hype Hype, or should I use Grassy Knoll?
Raid train choo choo.
Ahoy, Gauman. Ready to get your game on or just flex those muscles?
Is join ready?
No, not yet. I'm just logging. Well, it probably should work. I do
like
have the
Hype
bot. I do have the second bot running. Try it. Yep.
It's working, Wall.
Yep, all
Did we
good.
just become best
A new
friends?
star
Yep.
appears in this wild digital night. Welcome, friend. Shine bright.
I don't know what's going on with LastPass.
I
Oh,
added
there
a
we
message to it to make sure.
Yeah, I know. That was driving me crazy all day. I was like, how come nobody put confirmation on this thing? Hold on.
You'll know it's working correctly if the group is there and names have been added.
Hashtag blame TD.
Yeah, let me
We all
look.
blame TD for anything.
Well, if it isn't Randy D. Soak. Hello
Yeah,
there,
I'm still
you delightful
trying to log
human.
in. My password manager is being a jerk right now. Hold on. I saw a lot of blaming TD, and I don't believe I will be filing on. Hold on. Come on, LastPass. What the fuck? Do your job. Anyway, what's up? So I got the file from Drive. I gotta sort it out.
A new friend
What's
joins
up,
us,
Cowboy
like
Tech
stars
TV?
in Twilight's embrace. Let's ride this wild stream.
And now I'm just trying to log into an alt, but LastPass is deciding to not work right now. I don't know why.
Howdy, Cowboy Tech TV. Ready
So
to
that's
wrangle
fine.
some fun and kick up some digital dust?
Let me try a different window. I don't know. I don't know why. Why?
That's awesome! That's awesome!
I gotta
How
just
many alts do you have,
restart
lol?
Chrome. Like 7.
Well,
I don't know.
well.
What
if it
up,
isn't excellent,
Exceldro?
how's your day shaping up, friend?
How's it going? There we go. I just need to restart Chrome. I could use. I was gonna make a new Butspot because I miss Butspot dearly, and I was gonna do it properly. Like, I'm really still hoping that the person that was running it will just pass it off to someone that is willing to do the work. I'll just use HiPipe for now, though. Okay, two-factor shenanigans. Okay, just a second.
I usually use the 2-browser trick for reauthing with my bot account.
Yep. Okay, log in. Alright, we'll use HiPipe as the bot. And that way I can differentiate between...
0 places. You have joined the giveaway. Thank you so much.
There we go.
I mean, it shouldn't be that difficult to make a Butspot replacement for StreamerBot.
Well,
Yeah, doing it in
if
StreamerBot is
isn't
one
0
thing, but I
places,
want to
how's
make
your
like
day
a
going,
I wanted to make like a real Butspot replacement that other people could use.
Oh, hello there. Hype. Ready to blast off
but-
into the abyss of fun?
I decided against it because I just don't have the free time right now. But I was expecting someone else to jump in and do it pretty quickly because people love Butspot, but no. All right, hold on. 2-factor. Just logging back in as my main account in the browser, so then I'm all set. Security. The state of the internet and the requirement of so much security on everything drives me crazy, but it is what it is. Like, just don't steal people's shit, and then I can use password like password. People gotta ruin everything for everybody. Alright. We are good to go. Okay, so we got bot number 1, bot number 2. So I was going to start by poking through what's already here. I was running around with the kids most of the day, so I was only able to lurk most of the streams. I don't know if everything is just working out of the box, or...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Or,
I have the same combination on my
or
luggage.
what? So we've got some alerts. A lot of stuff that's, like, off.
Well, if it isn't web
Stream
underscore
up
mage,
currency.
how's your spellcasting treating you today?
Wheel of Fortune. So stuff basically just turned off if it requires, like, additional stuff. That makes sense. I'm excited about the Discord stream logger. I need to just throw my... Basically, I just need to throw my webhook URL in there, and then... Yeah, I'm excited about that. Is the raid out action, chat lockdown, slow mode on. Cool. I was actually going to add something similar to this. I was talking to Mustache Maniac in his stream about this a little bit. So he's got these like secondary. I like this use of folders for like secondary stuff. I would have just built a whole action with all of this stuff in it and called that action from here.
Look at how nifty that
What up, OSU? But I like how this looks in terms of organization.
Well, if it isn't OSU
That's cool.
Phoenix.
In my own, I have
sizzling.
like a lockdown method that just turns StreamerDotBot on, and a unlock method that turns it off, and then I have commands for panic and relax. But that is also the same thing
Just
that
chilling for a bit.
and then at stream and start and end it turns them on and off too. So he's got the be right back player going on, shout out stuff. Wonder what happens if I run a shout out. Oh, he's got the command turned off. Okay. No touchy code. Settings. I like this. I haven't used these folders at all. I like that. How do you even make a folder? Add group? Is that what that is? Okay.
Ronnie Blaze, you have joined
What
the giveaway.
up,
Thank
Ronnie?
you so much.
Well,
Yeah, that's
if it isn't
great.
Ronnie
I
Blaze, what
have
trouble
it's a
will we stir
completely
up today?
unused feature for me. Countdown to Armageddon. Basic commands. Barker
Cool.
Discord.
Kuho McFly, you have joined the giveaway.
So
Thank
this
you so much.
is... Oh. Cool. Follow age, simple shout out. Okay.
I try to do my best to communicate with people so there wasn't any overlap, but there is a tiny bit.
Yeah.
You're
That's
a bit
fair.
off screen. No?
Oh yeah, I'm moving stuff around a little bit. I think I turned follow off. That's the problem. There we go.
Exceldro, you have joined the giveaway. Thank you so much.
What up?
Thanks.
All right. Yeah, a lot of times I'll turn follow off when I'm doing stuff like working with credentials or whatever, so then I can do that like outside of the view area. And then I forget to turn it back on. Where'd the music go? Okay, I killed Chrome. That's why. That's where the music went.
Gotcha. Of
Smooth.
course.
Smooth. This one. Too loud. Right. Okay. What happens when I go way off screen? It just shows like a bunch of junk. Okay, I don't need any of this. Don't need any of this taking up space. Let's move this over here. Don't need you. Okay. So what I was gonna do was basically I was gonna bring in some mod stuff, just like really basic moderation action stuff. First thing I'm gonna do is bring over my ad management stuff that's very simple. So what I was just gonna pack it up into an export and move it over. Can I do that? Yeah. But I kind of need to. I'm gonna have to move it over and then cut some stuff out of it, basically. That's okay. Because y'all not getting P-Bot's brain. I'm not ready to share that. Let's see. Can I duplicate? So I thought I had.
Escape of Reality, you have joined the giveaway. Thank
What's
you so
up?
much.
Head warning. So I'm gonna make like
Well, hello there.
versions of
reality.
these.
Ready to
Okay,
escape the
so
mundane and dive into chaos?
Hello.
none of this stuff is necessary
What?
for
You
this.
don't want to give us a full co point of your entire stream?
Yeah, I'm happy to share. Like, I'm happy to have conversations about how it all works, but the main reason I don't want to share my like ChatGPT, all that stuff, it's not because I don't want to share it, it's because I don't want to support people that can't quite get it to work. I don't have time to support it, is the main thing. The main reason I haven't done a video and stuff on that. I just don't. Honestly, my most popular video is like a shout out command on Stream Elements.
I know that feeling.
And I answer questions about that like 10 times a day, and I'm like, this is really simple.
Hasmuffins, you have joined the giveaway. Thank you so much.
Hello, Hasmuffins. Ready to sprinkle some chaos and joy into the
You don't have to, but it helps your YouTube channel if you actually respond to stuff. I find. Okay. So I'm going to call this one, the ones that don't have real are going to be the ones I copy over. So
I feel that.
Ads begin. This has got send message. Okay, that doesn't have anything.
Wait, you have to offer support on things you release?
Well, you got a real gritty voice.
Imagine that.
Okay. That sounds like one of the 11 Labs voices, but I don't think I have those turned on. I hope not. That's expensive. Ads should be done now. Okay.
Oh, I just was thinking about all the people that just release stuff never to be heard from again.
Yeah.
Just say what we once saw on Discord. Just reply to every message with how about you take this as learning opportunity.
Right. See, I'm not here to give it to you. I'm here to help you learn how to do the thing. Okay, so if I have like a sound effect that I took this off of like my instance or something, like this isn't really a sound that I own. Is it okay to share that? Like, I think we can just say like insert your own sound here in this one.
Teach a man to fish. I get microwave meals, my dude.
Right.
Is it wrong for support on a tutorial? I'd have a bot that replies stuff like, is your PC plugged in?
That's really fucking funny. Have you tried turning it on and off again? You just like play a couple episodes of IT Crowd as a response.
As long as you're not microwaving fish.
Oof.
That's just evil.
Close and open windows.
Clear this. And then okay, now we'll take these, add to export. Why? Oh. I still have ads begin.
Lose
Ads
enough behind keyboard. Yada yada yada.
At the _Bob_Project P, some people would ask why the microwave isn't working, just popping the meal and hoping it will do everything for them.
Yeah. Save. Ads finish. I want to use the other one so that it's linked to the right one when I export it. Okay. So this is like the only video I've released this year because I've been so busy. Was setting this new ad system up now that there's triggers. I used to have this really jank. It worked, but it was like, so basically when ads run, the only trigger there was in StreamerBot for ads was when ads actually ran. So, and I wanted to give a heads up. So what I did was I set like a, like
Link them to an crowd video with a comment for
1.5 million micro or millisecond timer in delay. So it did like ads would run and then it would set like a 28-minute delay so that it could give a 2-minute ad warning for the next set of 30-minute ads. But if people wanted a different timing on their ads, they had to do all the like millisecond math and all that shit. And it was so complicated. And now that there's triggers for all these various things, it's so easy. So there's 4 different actions. I don't know why this one isn't in. One more time. This goes in Why are these not in the group?
Bob underscore project. That's why I did computer science degree of a science.
Add alert. Oh, set queue. Add alert. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. What do we got? Gotharita. Sounds like a Pokemon venereal disease. Alright, this ought to work.
Boy, I know about those.
So, and so for the time being, I'm gonna...
Sounds like the goth girlfriend Pokemon.
Disable them on my actual stream for now, or on my actual StreamerBot. I've got 5 minutes to get this in.
My support journey was usually fixing my dad's computer. One time it took 4 hours to reload his software. The next day he asked me back because he tried to do it himself to learn.
To chats. So this works in pretty simple. So upcoming ads is a trigger that allows you to set. You can set 1, 2, 3, or 4, or 5, as many of these as you want. You could have it run at all of them. I have it run at 3 minutes before ads run. And when that happens, on my stream, I have it disabling and enabling a overlay element, but I'm going to remove that. I'm just putting a comment that's like, is it miss? Yeah. Show any overlay elements about upcoming ads, but otherwise it just sends a message, and it uses the variable inside of the trigger so that you don't, if you change your ad timing, you don't have to change any of this stuff. It just works. So that happens before it happens. When they actually, there's this one runs recent.
Just become best friends. Yep. 9 members of their
Yo, what's up?
They're streaming Star Wars Hunters.
Welcome in. How's it going?
A new spark ignites. Joy dances in the air.
Oh no,
Friend of
phlare.bot is gonna read out all of those. I'm gonna get my
Become best friends.
For the fucking
stop.
Stardew Valley stream, stay for the...
Stop.
Are you winning game?
I've been
Stop.
a bad clam.
Are you winning?
Well. Hello. String underscore
Alright.
fellow underscore hawk.
Yo.
Ready to soar into some mischief today? Ahoy, Pillage 123. Ready to sail the seas of sarcasm and sass with me? Well, if it isn't Mo Gamergle. How's it hanging, superstar? New
This
friend
is
joins the club. Together
adding
we
a
conquer all.
sound
Let's ride this wild
when
ride.
ads actually run.
LOL this clip.
Let's see, did
Ladies,
it run?
Gents, and envy friends. Tell AAA underscore Fodog to chill like a froggy
Huh?
in a top hat.
Yeah, there it is with Hype Hype. Ads will be coming in 3 minutes. So we're doing a StreamerBot raid train today.
Oh, my mom's different. She doesn't touch even this basic thing.
We're building a
When I
basic
checked my PC, I let her use
bot
while I was in
for new users of StreamerBot to have a bunch of really useful stuff right out of the box.
Gotta go pick up family at the airport, but fellow sword
Okay, good luck.
team member equals.
Ads will be coming in 3 minutes.
Nice. What up? Thank you for bringing in. I appreciate the raid.
Well, if it isn't AAA underscore Fodog. How's the snapshot life treating y'all?
What are you up to?
That's cool. Thanks for coming by. So we're building a bot today. Usually I'm playing games, but my stream is a lot about...
The economy is in shambles.
So much sounds and reading message am getting confused.
Yeah, it's getting crazy. My stream normally has fewer people, so the always on text-to-speech is not quite as wild.
The BP Show, you have joined the giveaway. Thank you so much.
Hey there, the BP Show. Fancy seeing you here. Ready to stir things up?
That's a lot of points for inflation.
Hey Phlare.
I bet I can refund you. Let me see. Nope. That one skips it. Sorry. What up, BP Show? Yeah, the economy is messed up. Okay, so I'm adding this ad management stuff to the shared bot stuff. There's first one, the warning triggers. You saw it a little bit a while ago. Hype said ads will be coming in 3 minutes. So that's because of this trigger with the criteria set at 3. When it actually runs in about 30 seconds, you'll hear this sound effect on ads soon. So this is what the ad mid-roll trigger, which runs about 5 seconds before ads actually fire. And then at ads begin. Cheers! Thanks for coming by. It is removes the ad element. So I'm gonna make a command about a comment about that. Here you can remove any overlay elements about upcoming ads, and then actually delete that. It sets a stream marker, and then it runs this little bit of code that basically just does calculation to set the message properly based on the seconds and the minutes and all this stuff. Based on how long the ads are, based on how you have your ad settings set up. So it'll say like heads up, ads are running. And it just has like a well-formatted way of setting out how long the ads are. So instead of saying like 120 seconds, it'll say 2 minutes or whatever. And then let me take my own emotes out of these. So yeah, there it is. So I'm going to take my own emotes out of these. That's probably something worth changing. Let's see. I'm typing is fine. Ads soon doesn't have it. Ads begin has just that one. And then it delays for the ad length milliseconds.
Well, that was ironic. Lol.
And yeah. So I have ads set up to do 2 minutes of ads every 40 minutes on my stream. Which evens out to the 90 seconds every 3 minutes that is required, or every 30 minutes, 3 minutes every hour that's required to get the pre-rolls out of there all the way, and I'll enable the revenue split. I will wait until they're done to carry on, but yeah. What is the one? Is it purple heart? I'll bleed purple. So that should fire in 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0.
Ads
There
should
we
be
go.
done now. Welcome back.
Okay. So yeah, that timing worked out great. That I got it in right before the ad cycle came up. I have ads running every 22 minutes, every 40, which is just my flavor of getting the 3 minutes per hour. It's super simple. There's a warning that you can configure to be at whatever point you want. Thanks for the follow.
Nice and simple.
There's one that fires. There's a command for it to test, but that's not necessary. There's one that fires when ads are about to run with a sound that for me helps me if I'm focusing on a game. I hear that sound and I know that I need to pause the game and whatever. And then when they actually do run, it does the math to say how long it's running. It creates a stream marker. Then it sets a delay for the duration of the ads, and then when that delay is done, it calls the ad finish.
A warm light shines bright. New friend joins this wild
Which
ride.
in my
Let's
case
laugh
just
tonight.
sends another message. It's all very simple. You can also, in any of these, like in my own stream, I have, like my bot pops up and says something about it instead of just a text message. Or I used to, when ads run, I used to pop up Vlad's Champion of the Hill game.
They'll pass out. Good luck with the choo-choo.
But you can, so you could use those to turn stuff on. I have an overlay element and stuff like that, but I will leave those in there. I'm going to disable them for now. Let's rename this group. Nope. How do I rename the group? There we go. Group rename. We don't need the real. Ad management. I'm going to disable them and turn my own stream one back on. But TD, what's the plan for like packing this up for the ultimate end user?
People here see Shop with Streamer.bot and think it's all code, but it's cool to see you can make things like this with minimal code. Prob could be done without code too.
Yeah, the only thing I have code in there for is just to like prettify, like this whole thing. All it really does is it takes the ad length and it makes a pretty string. You could just say, instead of this, you could just say, have a message that says that they're running for ad length, and it would just be in seconds. So all this code does is it just formats that number of seconds into minutes, and it does stuff like if it's 1 minute, it says minute instead of minutes. Stuff like this is just formatting more than anything else. It could completely be, this whole thing could be done completely without code for sure. I just put it in there to make it pretty. And I tend to, especially when I'm doing stuff that when I'm sharing, or if I'm trying to teach someone else, or someone asks me a question in my Discord. I do a lot of my stuff through Discord, which is here. So if someone is asking for help on Discord, I try to provide them with something. I try to do it without C# as much as possible.
The end goal is it will be hopefully on the SP docs for people to grab if they want it, but he'll need to talk to Whip and Nate a bit more before I can give a clear answer.
Yeah. It would have to be one of those kind of things. Like the problem is the stuff where it's like not just an import code. If it was just one import code and there wasn't any auxiliary assets that needed to come along with it, it would be really easy to share. But I'm wondering if we can put together some kind of action that will download and install the necessary assets or something. That would be pretty cool. Something just to make it just dead easy. Or work with Nate to have a secondary package so that it's just there in the base. You know, like you can download a blank StreamerBot, or you can download the one with the quick start stuff. I don't know. I'm curious about all that, but for my part, I'm trying to make everything just entirely StreamerBot and not require any,
Death or something can be explored.
Not presuppose any other things. So I can delete my actions in my regular one. I can turn my real ones back on. Okay, so next one was going to be, where is my link protection thing? What up, Dragon Rider?
Dragon Rider
Or Luke,
you have joined
or
the giveaway. Thank you so much.
what have you?
Well,
Link
if
protection,
it isn't Dragon
okay.
Rider Luke. Hi there, you majestic word wizard.
So this one, I don't think has any. It's just its own thing. It doesn't have any. It's got a queue. It's just a single action. So okay. I am going to again turn it off in my own stream. Whoops. Disable the trigger. I'll remember to turn that shit on in a little bit. Import. So AutoMod. So this is basic link protection.
I know
that allows you to be
OBS raw to install things in OBS, but Marcus added an overlay, so there is some OBS stuff.
Yeah. Oh yeah, doing OBS raw to install things in OBS could be cool. Yeah, I saw MM doing that. So this module is code heavy, but I split everything out. Let me see. Zoom in further. I split everything out. I put comments in. This is what I'm trying to do when I'm sharing like code heavy. There's like a no touchy at the bottom that has all the actual code.
There will be OBS stuff with me. So, not alone.
Terry.
Oh hey, Nathan Cheater. You
What up,
sly
Nathan?
fox. Ready to cheat at life or just games?
So this is, let's see. Is there a variable in StreamerBot now for the bot name? So I have this as like changes to the name of your own bot, but is there a variable for the bot name now? Like, obviously StreamerBot is aware of what it is.
There is ch method to pull the bot name.
Okay. Maybe I need to do that. Or I can just leave it as this for now. So basically it ignores, makes it so that it ignores the bot, but can also just, it's actually kind of redundant because it's also using this bot group.
Man in Twitch chat and bot reply hello world to me, but it's not work on StreamerBot chat.
You probably on any given command in here, there is this check box, ignore internal messages.
I don't know if I setting something's wrong.
This ignore internal messages if it's checked, and I think it's checked by default on new commands, will ignore these chat through the StreamerBot chat. Those are considered internal messages. So that's the setting.
Oh, that's
So by default that is checked. So you want to uncheck that.
Thank
Yep.
you, Flair.
No worries. So I'm not going to worry. I think I can actually just remove this altogether because I have this part later where
I love that you put comments. SP comments are great for helping users. I was helping someone, gave them some code and they deleted all my comments, which had they read them would have answered their question.
Right. Yeah, so the more I've shared things, the more I try to figure out how to like extract all the arguments out and then make comments about like what the arguments are. So this is basic link protection. By default, Twitch doesn't allow any links at all. My goal was to give you a way to allow certain links, similar to the way that like Stream Elements or Streamlabs or whatever do with their own link protection stuff. So you turn off the link protection in Twitch, and then you use this instead. So you can post things. You can say you can post a clip, or you can post a link to another Twitch channel. You can say the word. You can say Streamer.bot. You can use it, and it doesn't say like that's a link. Get out of here. So there's a whitelist of domains, and they're just separated by spaces. That are allowed, and then you can. There's a message. This is the. This allows parsing variables. This is the warning that gets sent if someone types.
How does it handle if some mistypes something, like if they do word.word?
That's a problem. Detecting links is a very difficult domain in natural language processing. It's a impossible solution. You can like, a lot of people, a lot of programs will be like, if it doesn't start with HTTP, then I don't care. It's not a link. But I want to make it. So it will incorrectly sometimes. If there's something that comes up really commonly, word.word, it will. You can add it to the whitelist. There's also some code that, let's see, in the actual link checking algorithm, I'm making sure that the word length is at least 4 characters long. So people don't, and make sure that it, let's see, I think I'm making sure that it actually has, there's some code in here where it actually tries to create a URI with the resulting word using this URI try create. It's using the I think that's part of the link.
Because you could use regex, but even that's not a perfect
Yeah.
system log.
So I'm using this URI try create. So, and then if it manages to create a URI, then it checks against the whitelist. And then that catches most links. And then I also like if the word has a period in the middle of it, then it passes that along to, it adds HTTP to it and then tries to create a URL to it and tries again. So it's like, I mean, you can try. There's some stuff where it's like,
that's cool.
I've tried to narrow it down pretty. It won't match stuff where, let's see, if the period has to be at least 2 characters from the end of the word and stuff like that. So I tried to eliminate as many of those cases as possible. Like if the second to last letter is a period, it doesn't matter. So you can say like something like 3.0 or anyway, it's an impossible problem. There's no ultimate solution to detecting links, because links could be ab.zx and that's a link. Even though it's just like nothing. But so it does its best. There are false. The thing is
if a user wanted to add it so CPH methods wouldn't get banned, how would one do that? Because I know they can get link blocked.
Oh. That's a good question. Let's see. Maybe I need to... Let's see, it's like CPH dot whatever. Yeah, it would get blocked, wouldn't it? Well, let's try it.
We were born slick, but I love
Hey there.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do that.
Ready to stir the pot and have some fun? Teacup collision.
Check against known valid TLD.
What up, crazy? I could do it that way. Shall I?
Take me to Snurch, I'll worship like a snail at the shrine of your light. I'll tell you my sin so you
I
can
could.
snipe in your snipe. Offer me that sleepless death.
I mean, that's like more. That's more than I want to. More than I really want to work on here. This is a simple solution.
LOL, that is so wonderfully weird.
That is a good question, though. Like, if it was, I could just do, if it's a CPH method that a SB friend is trying to share, if word dot starts with CPH
If you were going
dot.
to do it for real and not for fun, that's how you'd start.
Yeah. All right, try it.
Your stream already for 3 years in Twitch? Sort if I use weird word.
No, it's not my stream. It's for StreamerBot. StreamerBot is 3 years old. So let's see. Can someone...
CPH send message this is a
Yeah,
test.
there you go.
Oh, StreamerBot for 3 years.
And then, like, StreamerBot works.
Good evening, StreamerBot.
What up, Steve's very own?
Well,
So,
if it isn't
okay, now
Steve's
try
very
like
own.
yahoo.com or
going?
something like that, or whatever. The consequence is that it just deletes the chat message. It doesn't time anybody out or anything like that. It just deletes it, and then it replies and says,
At Terrier Darts, hey Terrier Darts, no links please.
Something about yahoo.co.ca.
did it not delete the message?
It didn't delete terriers.
Interesting.
File.read all text file path.
That's funny. I wonder, it doesn't see that as a link because of the parentheses in it, I think. I'm curious why it didn't... Oh, crazy, it didn't delete yours because I have allow VIPs on. If I put that to false...
Ye figured VIP was exempt.
Let me try that again, crazy.
I can pull up the test account.
Let's make sure this trigger works. Or this toggle. It didn't delete the message though. That's a little bit like, what the hell happened there?
Yahoo.com.
At Randy Sock, hey Randy D Sock, no links please.
Yeah, so it's responding.
Terry's always the classic pages like dolphins.cx.
At Crazy Little Bot, hey Crazy Little Bot, no links please.
So it's yelling about it.
Well, hello there, crazy little bot. Ready to stir some chaos and mischief together?
Gotta love the Christmas Islands.
Okay, so it's not deleting the message. I wonder if there's an issue with that. Let's see. Check links, message ID, Twitch, delete chat message. I wonder why that's not working. Oh, you know what? HypeHype isn't a mod. It's because I'm using an alternate bot that isn't a mod. There we go. That'll do it.
Imagine.com.
Yeah, there we go.
At Crazy Little Bot, hey Crazy Little Bot, no links please.
That would prob.dot do it.
Yahoo.com.
Yep. Okay. Cool. All right. That was it. So anyway, that's that thing.
Suckmyca.ck. Share it NSFW chat for sure.
SpeakerBot, however, is like, whatever, I'll say it. Fuck it. Alright, well that's that.
I noticed SpeakerBot was still saying them lol.
Yeah, I think that triggers... You know, I guess it depends on which order. I have that set through chat message trigger as well. But, whatever. I don't care about, like, NSFW stuff. I just don't want the links.
Ligma.pokey.balls.
Ligma.pokey.balls. Okay, so the other I don't think we need this first bit that ignores the bot because
Doesn't SpeakerBot have a setting to not say links?
yeah, but I'm not using native SpeakerBot. I am passing it. I'm using the StreamerBot SpeakerBot speak method through a chat message trigger. I'm doing my own whole stuff with that. Excuse me. So, I probably could, let's see, settings. So the thing is, I'm not using it's not like SpeakerBot isn't the one parsing what is meant to be spoken. I'm sending the I'm using the action from within StreamerBot to pass that stuff along.
Have a great stream at Phlare time for bed.
Good night.
So Nate did get the link block and SpeakerBot working properly now?
Oh, I don't know. I don't use it. Where even is it?
Yeah, I don't use Speaker, but
oh,
so most
URL
of my
filter.
knowledge is heard through the grapevine.
Let's try it. I wonder if it works through StreamerBot. Okay, try something else. There's this URL filter here. Strip or yeet all.
I like StreamerBot, it's cool.
Well, that one's not blocked though, huh? Yeah, I don't think it will. I don't think any of this stuff applies because I'm sending it all through.
Rock'em Robotics, you have joined the giveaway. Thank you so much.
I'm like doing a bunch of stuff on my own, and then I'm sending.
Well, if it isn't Rock'em Robotics, you ready to rock this chat?
At Terrio.s, it's so cool.
TTS speak, CPH, TTS speak. Yeah, it's because I'm sending it directly. So I could add that into my thing, but I don't care personally. Unrelated to the link blocking, I think that all works. I think I can delete these first 2 lines because they're redundant. It also allows you to set up a
At
group.
Terrio.s, hey Terrio.s, no links please.
You can set up a group. It's a bot group.
Flair, how many bot do you have in mod?
Like 15 or so. I don't know.
Hey Rockham.
Bussy in bio https://x.
Because I do videos on Nightbot and Streamlabs and Stream Elements, so I have all of that stuff.
Lol. Dude, that's a doc to rock.
I have a command so I can make sure that they're all in chat. But let's see. Oh, it's making groups for each of these. Okay, cool. Bot group.
Doc_Artmodius, you have joined the giveaway. Thank you so much.
Hey there, Doc_Artmodius. Ready to get fabulous with some gaming shenanigans? A new soul has joined. Whispers of joy
Put
and
some
laughter.
folks in
Let's
that
stir
bot
Mischief's
group.
brew.
Cool. So what else? There's link protection. I'm going to turn this off here and then turn it back on in mine.
Thank you so much.
Flair, check it out. OSU Phoenix has cheered for 100 bits.
What up, OSU? Thank you for the biddies. Let's see. So what else? There were a few other things that I was going to add. Those are the two main ones that I wanted to get in there. So ad management and then the link protection.
Yes.
And then I was going to add in some like silly shit, I think. But oh, these are the other two. Change category, change title. So it's these 4 commands.
Speaking of AI behaving
Export.
badly, have you seen how Grok will generate pictures of Mickey Mouse and Elon shooting up a school? https://twitter.com/reset_by_peer/status/1824444.
Crazy. What up, Azaris? Am I saying that right? Azaris?
Why you so
How you doing?
Well, if it isn't Azaries.
Azaris?
I am good, darling.
Import.
At least it deleted that link.
Right? Crazy. No. Export. Okay. It's clipboard. Okay. How's it going? We are doing a special stream tonight as part of a raid train for my favorite bot, StreamerBot. About 10 of us have put together a bunch of little things to help new users kind of get started. So I'm just adding my parts.
So adding Twitter or X.com in the whitelist would allow for Twitter
Exactly.
and X links to be posted.
Yeah, exactly.
Rock is cringe. At Terrier Darts now, why on
Yeah, I don't recommend. But yeah, you could just add, we'll say google.com. So this is domains. that you can add here. So you should be able to post something like that. Let's see, the commands, this is change. Let's rename this group. Stop. Group rename. This can go away. Rename this group. And enable these. Let's see. Make sure they're actually locked down to mods. Mods.
I
feel
almost
like
dug up a link on Amazon for a banana cleaner, but most of those results are pretty soup.
a banana cleaner. I bet.
PCAD, you have joined the giveaway. Thank you so much.
Well, if it isn't one UPCAD. How's it hanging?
Right on.
Ready to level up?
I should put my pulsoid thing on as part of the promotion, but it's already too late.
That really nicely built. Cross of time zones, our paths don't often cross, but it's nice to see what you've built.
Yeah, it's hard. I do a lot of lurking while I work, so I'm able to watch UK streamers very easily, but they're not able to watch me very easily because I stream this time of day. What up, Progress?
Hey phlare, Progress only is rating with 4 members of the community.
So these are very simple. What's up? Welcome in.
Well, if it isn't Progress only, how's the journey to excellence going?
By the way, have you played the new
I don't like that noise.
Yes, I've played a shitload of it. I'm like 11,000 event points in.
Oh god, he has a mask on.
I would be playing it right now were it not for this raid train.
He will
I'll be streaming it tomorrow and Monday.
Yes, touching on 6 AM for me now. Slowly starting to
I bet. I appreciate you for putting this all together.
Well,
that was a really good idea, and it's been really fun. It's been a fun day. Kind of. I wish I was able to watch and contribute in chat a little bit more to some of the other streams, but Saturdays for me are mostly like chasing toddlers. I love it. Crazy. The new maps are amazing, or the new map is amazing. The game itself is great. The UI is a mess, but they're working on it, and it just doesn't matter as much as people are so fucking doomy about it, but it's fine. It's like, it's gonna be fine. I'm already, like, I've played enough that I'm totally used to the new UI, and it's fine. These are, so anyway, back to this. These are just a title command. You can do title, and it'll return what the current
anniversary of StreamerBot. Raid train, join.
Oops, let me turn
Legal disclaimers, I assume these are your own toddlers.
Yes. Just chasing other people. That's what I do on set. I go to the park and I chase toddlers. No, my own kids. I have a 6-year-old and a 4-year-old.
Ladies, gents, and envy friends, ads are dropping in 3 minutes, lasting 2 minutes.
That's funny. Let me disable my own game. It's category. Okay, so title will display the title of your current stream, and then you can copy it, and then
3rd anniversary of StreamerBot. Raid train, join.
You can use it if there's a raw input after the word title, you can set the title.
At phlare,
and it does a little
title.
confirmation.
My partner has been replaced by myself.
What?
That truly is horrifying.
Oh, you find yourself in a long hall. This is like a random thing I built. You find yourself in a long hallway with the door at the end. The door doesn't get closer as you approach. You see a young woman with their eyes and mouth sewn shut. They throw their head back and start to cackle wildly. You wake up in a cold sweat, and your partner resting near you has been replaced by yourself. Yeah, that's weird. So that's like a nightmare generator thing. I found, so some of the times, some of the stuff I like to build in StreamerBot, I'll find like a D&D book that has like random tables for stuff or whatever, and I'll turn it into a command. Like the wild magic. That's a D10,000 wild magic table that I found. This one here.
Oh snap, it looks like phlare just turned into a walking prancing panic. All the hoofed animals are having a meltdown. Hope you brought some snacks. This could get wild.
Funny. Anyway, so there's a title command and a category command. You can use either title. Category does the same thing. You can do game, or you can do category.
Just chatting.
Oh no! Caught in my own trap. You can use game or category.
Just chatting.
And then if you set if there's a raw input, it will set it. And then those commands are locked down to just moderators. And it sends a little confirmation and a reply. So those are handy little commands. What else? What else shall I drag over? I'm gonna go ahead and disable those.
Once rode a unicycle through a field of dancing llamas while wearing a chicken suit, claiming to communicate with them about the secrets of the universe.
In the new bot,
he just
and
wanted to know why he didn't bring
enable
snacks.
them in my own. Bizarre anecdote. Ads are running in a minute. I'm gonna get up and run to the bathroom. When I do, I will put phlare.bot up for a minute, and you can talk to him.
Hey chat, ready to have some fun? Let's go.
He will respond sequentially in chat. Sometimes he misses one or two, but I'll be right back.
Just chatting, huh? The perfect excuse to gossip, giggle, and throw around some hijinks. Let's tickle those funny bones.
The stupidest thing I built in StreamerBot was I am Spartacus redeem, so when some said I am Spartacus it started the game, then everyone had to say I am Spartacus, and then after a random amount of time the last person who claimed they were Spartacus was the winner.
Ah, the classic, I am Spartacus, trick. Such a glorious way to create chaos and hilariously unite your chat against one another. Ads incoming, folks. Don't wander off. Stick around for the chaos or come back for more shenanigans in 2 minutes.
Okay, I'm back. Text from my wife. Hold on. Okay. My starting soon thing is still up. I'm gonna wait till ads run out.
Terrier darts, that's pure gold. Interactive chaos at its finest. So, who's taking the crown next time?
What is next? User commands, no. Okay. Should be back. Close that off.
Ladies,
Let's see.
gents, and angry friends, let's give it back to the
I
main
think
star.
that's pretty much it for the mod stuff for now. Oh, set marker is pretty good. Let's see. Is there anything special there? It's like not particularly useful compared if you're typing it yourself. So I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna add that. Let's see. Let's add a couple fun things in too. We have like alerts, basic commands, walk-on sounds, cool. I'm excited to add in Nutty's Discord logger to my own stream. I have a bunch of D&D related stuff. None of that is simple to add because it all has overlay elements. Trying to think.
Phlare rolled a 16.
Let's see what else. Games, all P-bot stuff. Timers, ad warning stuff. This is my like ridiculous death counter. Alarm. I never finished this alarm.
Phlare, I think they delete StreamerBot docs. I can will information about how to string user / raw input or something like that. Find.
Which are you looking for in? You're looking for information about how to.
Did you say you have a panic command that turned off all stuff? Maybe something like that could be added.
Yeah, I'm hesitant because, let's see, Mustache Maniac did some stuff there where he's got, it basically does what is being done here. So what I would like to do would be to, I don't want to step on anybody else's stuff. What I would do would be to extract all of this out to its own action and have this call that action, and then also just assign commands. So basically, this lockdown stuff he has, and then the unlock stuff, just extract those into their own action. Have these actions call that action. And then also have commands call those actions. So I don't know how that's how I would do it. I don't want to overlap, so I don't want to do it all. But I also don't want to like change someone else's contribution. So it's hard to say.
I need know how to write %target user profile image %and C hash, but I can't find it in the docs.
You would do target user profile. Well, like you would do args get user profile image.
I don't think you'd be stepping on toes. To a new user, it would probably be easier to understand if they were separate.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what convention is for that kind of thing. You would do something like this, Nathan. Wait, it would be something like that. But to get the stuff that are arguments, you would just do you use that args array. Well, I'll do that. It's like I'm gonna leave everything alone. I'm just gonna make it its own thing. So I call it lockdown. Let's see. I'll use his, and then unlock. So raid out. Copy group. And then so here, instead of chat lockdown, I would
or you can use
Actions.
CPH try get out target user profile image URL, out string image URL, but both ways should work.
lockdown. And then this doesn't need to be in a group.
At Terrier Darts, thank Terry. I will note.
So then here you can also do trigger. Panic, and we make that a moderator command. And then unlock, copy this group. Show mode off, subscriber only mod, all that stuff. Don't need the group anymore. So stream start instead of this stuff. We just do actions, run action, unlock. So then that way, it's a little bit redundant since that's the only thing that this one does, but you might want other stuff at stream start. So action unlock, and then unlock we can do commands. Create command, relax. And so then there's mod commands for panic and relax in case the streamer is on a be right back screen and someone needs to lock it down. That works out. So those can go mod commands. Okay. Game, panic, relax, title. What else? Okay, that works. To be fair, I almost never use those commands myself, but
Well, to be fair.
To be fair.
To be fair.
but I do have it locked down chat when I go off stream. The offline protection is good. Let me make, just for funsies, I could duplicate a couple of these fun commands. I can put in.
Lumos Live, you
What
have
up,
joined the
Lumos?
giveaway. Thank you so much.
Hey there, Lumos Live. Ready to shine brighter than my competition? Let's roll.
Twitch message. I'm gonna turn off the TTS stuff for this and then share it. Nope. This one just fetches a dad joke from icanhasdadjoke.com and then sends it to chat. And then this one I just have a inline array of a bunch of would you rather questions. Because I couldn't find a good API for it, and I haven't taken the time to build one.
Is Rhino horny as exciting as it sounds?
That's another one I built for a friend who's bearded rhino, and it replaces. It was similar to the other one that I was talking about before, where it if someone types something in chat that ends with Y, it'll replace that word with horny, kind of like Butspot.
As usual, I search on the SB Wiki sub-actions in message and the site gives me how to use that sub-actions, including how to write string raw input equals args raw input in C hash.
There you go.
But now I can't find that SB Wiki anymore.
A lot of the wiki stuff moved to, what is it, docs? Let's see. Yeah. Whoa. No. Okay, so these we'll add to an export.
At phlare.bot, did this use AI to generate a response based on my name?
Probably. Yep. Where did... I didn't see where it was, but yeah.
Did we just become
New
best
friend
friends?
joins the fun, like a spark igniting flames. Here's to wild adventures.
Yeah, my bot is powered by ChatGPT.
If you are in SB and press F1, I believe it opens the docs.
Oh, really? I did not know that. That's cool. Yeah, you can also, I think... Yeah, you can also get it from here. Okay, so... I'm going to disable them in my own. What happened to music? Why you stop? Okay. Let's disable those in my own. And then, so, I gotta turn the commands back on.
What is it you're working on?
So, we have been doing this, I don't know if you're aware of the StreamerBot raid train. It looks like you are with the join. I was adding a bunch of moderation tools and things to this basic set of commands that we're putting together. And I'm kind of done with that. I added ad management stuff. I added some moderation tools like changing game and title, panic mode and relax, and link protection. And now I'm just kind of adding some little fun things. These have cooldowns. Did it pull over a cooldown? No, it's okay.
At Terrier Darts, yes. This
Nobody's
is a
put
new
cooldowns on
wiki,
anything.
And it looks like the old wiki has been deleted. I saved the old website.
Oh, that's what it is. The old wiki
and now when I
is
click on it, it takes me to a new website.
not there anymore. Things should be there. So, dad joke.
Sore throats are a pain in the neck.
StreamerDotBot chimes in with dad jokes too. I don't know how to turn that off, but it's fine. And then would you rather?
Would you rather be royalty 1,000 years ago or an average person today?
I need to edit the would you rather here because it does some stuff. I don't want this TTS output part. But basically it just grabs a random thing from this list of questions. They can be edited here if desired, but
The last URL I went to started with extensions but now starts with docs before the rest of the URL.
so that should work. Yeah. Oh, extensions is a whole different thing.
Would you rather 30
The old one
butterflies
used to be
instantly
wiki.
appear from nowhere every time you sneeze, or one very angry squirrel appear from nowhere every time you cough?
I guess the
I often look at
butterflies?
public.dev for API because you can find some fun ones on
Yeah.
there. Don't know if you know about this site.
Yeah, I love that stuff. So yeah, those are fun little ones. Let's put those in. Let's see, API fun, that's fine.
The butterflies for sure.
Right? So I'm gonna disable those here for now and enable them back in mine.
Publicapus.dev for API.
Yeah, let's take a look. Gotta keep an eye on time. I'm pretty much done with what I set out to do, and now I'm kind of just adding extra random stuff. Public APIs. Cool. URL shorteners. Yu-Gi-Oh API. Magic the Gathering database, Rick and Morty. Let's see. Dictionaries. Currency exchange, data validation. Cool. Books.
I will try to search it.
There. The dog. Dog API. Random duck.
At phlare.
Random-d.uk. That's pretty good. Get a list of duck images. Let's see, what do they look like?
Which API is this?
A random duck.
Is this your Patreon?
What? No. I don't have one. I have a coffee link, but this is random. This is a public APIs thing that Terrier Darts was just saying. Oh, so I want API v2, and then I want like slash quack. And it gives you a random. That's funny. Nice. All right. All right. Well, I'm gonna have to like mess with that later. I like it when there's a text only and returns an image file directly. Num gif. Interesting. I would like to just random image. So if I do API v2 random image, just go straight to a random image. That's good.
It's nice that they range from simple to more complex. It's a good for learning how APIs can be accessed.
Yeah. That's really good. I actually have a random duck in my Discord, or in my thing. There's a channel point redeem for this one.
Ah, that duck's cuteness is quacktastic.
Duck pick. Sometimes it's a dock. Sometimes it's a deck.
Ah, that duck's cuter than capitalism.
That's a really funny name.
Oh, that's not. That's the same one and twice. What are the fucking chances?
In old SB Wiki, they tell how to use %raw input %variable in both normal sub-actions and in C#. But in new wiki, I found only how to use %raw input % in sub-actions. Sorry if I confused.
That's one hell of a doc, phlare.
Anyway, this input, this random APIs is great. Yeah, and they probably get like extremely complex as well. That's cool. That's a good resource. Alrighty. Okay. What's next? Let's see, how are we doing on time? Got about a half hour left. So when I'm done, I want to just zip this back up. I want to log out of my account and zip it back up and put it in the next folder for OSU. And put it in my own folder, right? Turn follow off for a second. Doop, 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 doop. Share it with me. Raid train assets. Okay. Yeah, so when I'm done, I'll put it in my own SB upload folder. Okay, I understand. Okay. What else is portable enough to be used? Target issue. Is there anything interesting in my chat parse that could be fun? Let's see. Counting, traps, nah. This one's stupid. So I have one where if someone does emote pyramids, the bot just says no pyramids. It still allows them, but it yells at you for it. Stop stream. No, this is all pretty abstract. Let's see. Here's birthday stuff. Getting that redone, sounds like. What else? Scene manipulation. There you go.
Did we just become best friends?
A new arrival. Surfing tides of joy and mirth, cowboy dreams take flight.
Thank you for the follow. Let's see. Donation events, uptime. Oh, this one. Chat uptime. I could do the 8-ball. That one's pretty portable, I think. So execute code, just...
Maybe you could create a simple hug command or a
I could move my hug command over.
command that might say %user, %your, %random number, %silly, if you wanted. Just throwing out some ideas.
Yeah, I have hug, and it'll yell at you if you don't. I could throw my hug command over. I'm trying to think of like, I made like a video that's like basic commands for StreamerBot. Hug I could grab. I'm just making sure there isn't anything like proprietary there. That one's okay. I can add that. I can do the 8-ball. So there's one action that's just a random action that has like all the 8-ball responses, and then the other one is just makes sure that you asked a question and then calls that one. So I can do 8-ball as well. Crash counter, crow joke. You gotta specify a target.
That's cool. Do you have some social links that could be blanked out too, cause they'd be handy?
Thank God I know how to fix OBS in a hurry.
Yeah, let's see. Socials. Yeah, I have like a socials one. That's just a little more, I think it just goes to my link tree, but I can just build that on the other side. I don't need to copy that one. I forget how this one works. Oh, it's just reading a random line from a text file. I think hug and eight ball are good ones. Let's pull those over. Yep.
I stayed up way too late. Thanks for yet another fun
You're
stream.
welcome. See you later, Cujo. I'll be on my normal streams Sunday and Monday. This was kind of an anomaly for me to be on.
Do you have something that will display a list on a scene?
No, I mean, like a list of stuff. Oh, like an overlay thing. Not that I can think of at the moment. Let me disable this for a second.
Yeah.
Make sure it works in the other side. So 8-ball will say, oh, 8-ball.
8-ball glows angrily. You didn't ask a question. Ball says, it is certain.
Yeah. Nice. Okay. Magic 8-ball's there.
Flair hugs the bananas out of it. Terrier darts.
Yes.
Given out one hug
It is.
so
I have
far.
like 500 some actions. It's I need to do a better job of organizing them, but it is what it is. Okay.
You have so many commands in StreamerBot. Hard to keep track of your
Okay,
stuff.
I'm gonna
Flair, do you know WYSIWYbot?
Yeah, I do. I don't use it,
Impressive stuff, Flair.
but it has a lot of. I know a lot of people use it. One of the things I don't like about WYSIWYbot is they make it really easy to do stuff like track. They make it really easy to do stuff that is a bad idea to do as a streamer.
Best advice I can give on organization is get a good naming scheme bot, Bob.
So, one of the things I started to do was organize my groups a little bit, and I have them in like priority order. So I have like this quick access group. And starting to index them like this. So like shout outs, game specific stuff, using groups helped a lot. I have yet to fully organize all of my stuff into these like indexed ones, but it's been a lot. And then I was trying to index the commands the same way. I just haven't gotten there. I'm gonna turn 8-ball on the other side. I'm disabling them in the new bot, enabling them again in mine. 8-ball. But yeah, most of the time I search for my stuff because it's just all over the place. And then let's see what else. Other basic commands. Be like socials. And this could just be Twitch, chat.
You can see how I name stuff with the StreamUp stuff, so most of my actions will say what extension it is and then what tier does.
Yeah. Stream up, yeah. And then the stuff that's like grouped into like a, currency system commands, currency system events. Yeah, I like that.
Ladies, gents, and envy friends, ads in 3 minutes. Brace yourselves for a 2-minute interruption.
WYSIWYbot have a cool system, but they need my sub every month for change the notification message. So I use SB for make my own WYSIWYbot.
Yeah, there's nothing that WYSIWYbot can do that you can't do in StreamerBot. One of the things I was in the middle of this thought, and my ADD took me away from it, was WYSIWbot makes it really easy to do things that I think is a bad idea to do as a streamer. It can track follows and unfollows and like announce unfollows on stream, and that way madness lies. Like it makes it way too easy to do shit like that. That's just a terrible, terrible idea. And like
I saved my money a lot.
I don't know why. I've seen so many people that have that stuff turned on, and it's just like that's super toxic. And it's also just really bad for your own like psyche as a streamer.
So when I wanna work on the currency system, I just add that to the filter and I only see them actions, which is handy lol.
Check out my socials at insert your social media links here.
Yep. Okay, that'll work. And then we get to do a similar one for Discord, but I think this is enough. Like that. Like, here's the most basic possible type of command. It's a command. It sends a message. Like, I feel like people can figure it out from there. It's hard to say. And I can put comments. Comments are the best. All right. I think that is probably pretty good. Let's see if there's some other stuff. There's a lot more like super complex stuff that I'm just not going to get into for this. You know, like posting a go live to Discord or things like that, but I think this is pretty good for now. I think that was a handful of useful things. Oh, here's that nightmare generator. It just reads from a bunch of different random files.
The only bot I use other than SB is Sericus that does the protection stuff really well.
Yeah, I use all the main ones, but that's mostly just I use Stream Elements, Streamlabs, and Nightbot, but mostly because of YouTube videos about those. I wouldn't use any of them if it were just for my own thing, but since I support people that use them, I need to like stay somewhat up to date. And honestly, some of those, like I love StreamerBot, but some people I wouldn't. Some people I know probably wouldn't be able to handle it.
You are freezing when an ad starts. Maybe I need to refresh?
I don't know. Maybe. So, oh, there you go.
StreamerDotBot is a protective bot that handles moderation and anti-spam, keeping your chat safe and sound. It helps manage user interactions, filters unwanted content, and can also execute various commands, making your streaming life easier while you focus on the fun.
Or not, lol. On an ad.
I think that's about it for these. Like, there's a bunch of stuff that I could share, but so much of it is so specific to my stream, or has overlay stuff, or user commands, game specific stuff, advanced death counter, alerts. Do chat actions. Okay, this is where like some of the really basic stuff is. Codes, no. Discord drops. Yeah. Nothing big here. Here's another API one, pirate insults.
Back.
Yeah, I think that's pretty good for now. I'm gonna start packing this up. So I'm gonna actually close that bot. Let's see. Start working on closing down. I want to go to platforms, accounts. I want to log out, forget. And then close it. And then I want to zip it up.
That's a lot. I'll be studying it for days. Thank you so much, Phlare.
You're welcome. Yeah, there's a lot in there. There's always more. My Discord, I'm always happy to like share. I'm not trying to gatekeep any of my stuff ever. Some of it is like too complex to share easily, which is why I don't. And I have been far too busy lately. This year, my work has been much more intense than normal, or than it was the past years. I started doing YouTube videos and I really enjoyed it, and I would like to get back to it and carry on with it, but I have most of the time, by the time I have free time for it, I have run out of spoons. It's YT. I started a gaming YouTube as well, but I haven't really put serious videos on there. It's just kind of where I link dump clips and stuff. But my primary YouTube has StreamerBot and OBS tutorials, primarily StreamerBot, also Stream Elements, Nightbot, Streamlabs, Chatbot stuff, focusing on basic chatbot stuff. I have all these ideas of more videos to make, but it's just a combination of not having the time. I would say that I don't have the time lately to do it, but it's really more of a spoons issue, where by the time I'm done with work and hang out with the kids and all that stuff, like, I mostly have energy to either play games. Streaming doesn't drain me the same way that like scripting a video and editing and all that stuff does. Because usually on stream I'm just playing a game and I'm hanging out with friends. So I've been streaming more and doing videos less. I'm trying to figure out a way to, like, turn off my alerts and stuff and do like a quick little demonstration on stream, and then I could cut it into a video or something. I'm trying to figure out a way to be able to put some more videos out without so much effort, but it's hard. Anyway, there will be more. I just need to figure out how to slot it back into the way my life is now compared to how it was before. And we'll get there. Let me upload so I want to upload into my own SB upload folder. That's easy. And then that'll be ready for OSU. Let me get them loaded up. I'm not gonna raid quite yet, but soon. Just want to get it ready. They are live, so anyway. So since I haven't been doing videos a lot lately, I have been streaming. I added another night to stream. I stream Sundays, Mondays, and Fridays generally. And I'm always willing to, like, I'm willing to drop what I'm doing and like poke through StreamerBot stuff or answer questions. I'm always able to answer questions. Sometimes my answer might be, why don't you jump into my Discord and we'll talk about this offline or off stream, because it's more complex and it needs screenshots or whatever. But a lot of times I'm able to help you right on the spot as well. So I'm trying to help as much as I can. I wish I could do more videos. But generally the best way to get my attention for that kind of stuff is going to be in Discord. And there was a while where I was trying to jump in on the StreamerBot support channel a little bit more, but I just got spread too thin trying to do that. So coming into my Discord is the best way to do that. And that's there.
I love getting distracted with questions.
Yeah.
Lol.
So, and it's like, I've been streaming a lot of Hunt lately, which is a lot of times I'm on a team with other people and they're depending on me, which is fine. And that's really enjoyable. So sometimes when I'm in the middle of those kind of things, it's a little harder for me to jump out and do this kind of stuff, but I'm always happy to. It's just, it might be like, well, okay, we got to wait till after this match and then I'll do it, you know? So, I'm always pretty willing to help. And it's more about whether I have the energy for it, and sometimes I will just defer you to my Discord. But the nice thing about Discord is I've had so many people join my Discord to help with that. I've had people that started using StreamerBot because of my use of it that have used it for a year or so now, and they're able to start answering questions in my Discord too. So it's like sometimes some of my community can answer the questions before I even get to see it, which is awesome. It's like one of my favorite things. Someone will ask a question, and by the time I get to it, someone else that has learned enough has already answered it, and it's like, that's my very favorite thing. It's like proof that it's possible to learn this, and it's like it is. StreamerBot is intimidating when you start, but it's so powerful, and it's like I wouldn't still be streaming if it weren't for StreamerBot, because this is what made me fall in love with streaming, is being able to do all this weird shit and put together like weird redeems and stuff like that. It's been a lot of fun. I think OSU is up. I think I'm gonna get ready and raid in. It might be a little early, but that's okay. He's ready.
It definitely is. I said
it's
on my
midnight
stream
here.
that SP has a learning curve for sure, but once you're over it, you look back and wonder what all the fuss is about.
Yeah, once it clicks, and I've seen this in people that use it, where it's like, I have one person in particular that started using it on my recommendation because they kept wanting to do things, and it was like, you could do that really easily in StreamerBot. And it's also part of why I started doing videos for very simple commands in StreamElements and Streamlabs and Nightbot, because inevitably, I have my most popular videos on my YouTube channel are StreamElements shoutout, Streamlabs shoutout, Nightbot shoutout. And those videos inevitably in the comments end up with someone being like, they see me answering questions on how to do this and that, and eventually someone will ask a question and I'll be like, you cannot do that with StreamElements. You need to use something more advanced, like StreamerBot. Why don't you come to my Discord and check it out? Or why don't you check out this StreamerBot video and see what you can do? So it's like, while I'm also able to support those other chatbots, it's also like an evangelist type thing, because the conversation always inevitably ends up at that request is a little bit too advanced for these chatbots. You're going to need something more robust like StreamerBot, and it's great.
I've seen him with OSU. He is super awesome, but I've seen him go from a simple user to someone who can do super cool stuff.
Yeah, I have one of my community members is the same way, where he's started with like just kind of like really basic things, and like having to not having the confidence to do the things himself, and being like having to ask and like validate things through me over and over. And now he's just building stuff on his own. Every once in a while he'll bounce an idea off me, and I'll be like, I think you could do it this way and this way and this way, and he'll be able to do it completely on his own now. And it's been really cool to see that kind of stuff happen. So anyway, speaking of OSU, let's go see him. And I will be streaming again tomorrow night and Monday, my normal stream times. Do I have a schedule thing? I keep my Twitch schedule pretty up to date, so check it out there. I don't think I have a schedule thing. I do have an idea. Okay. I have an idea command that sends the idea to a particular channel in my Discord. So I can fucking remember stuff. Okay, let's raid OSU.
Pepperidge Farm remembers.
Pepperidge Farm remembers. Alright. This was a lot of fun.
Thank you for being part of this.
Yeah,
It's been super
totally
cool to
agree.
hang
I'm
out
always
with you.
down.
Hopefully our paths will cross a little more.
I'm always down to collaborate offline on stuff too, if you want, Terrier Darts.
The action settings in the app.
It's been great.
Each variable like backquote args, donation message, backquote or backquote args, raid count, backquote should be listed under relevant action.
Yeah, let's
You can also experiment with
go
them
say
directly
hi.
in your commands.
Here we
Need more
go.
help? Just let me know.
Have a good one, everybody.
Thank you for stream.
We give it a couple more minutes. I think everybody that's in is already in. So let's go. Later, Nathan. See y'all tomorrow, if not some other time. Bye.